Welcome back to our video series. So today we are going to be looking at still on IGCSE ICT data analysis, Microsoft Excel. We will be looking at the if function, how it works and how many components does it have. Okay, let's look at the spreadsheet that we're using for the student marks. Okay, let's leave football. Now focus on student marks. Okay, let's say we want to check if the student has passed an examination. For example, the student has passed an examination here. Okay, so here are the exam mark for this student here. How many are they? So there are 9 students here for this 9 students. So want to check if they passed the test. So we in the exam. So if they pass the exam, we will then print a passed exam or we'll print a failed exam. Okay, so let's get started. The if, click f of x, we search if for if, click go. So this is the if. Okay, so the if checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and another value if false. We also have this what we call the if-else function. If-else function checks whether one or more conditions are met and return a value corresponding to the first true condition. Okay, but as we'll focus on this if function here. So I will double click if. So the logical test, we want to check if this examination, which is in cell G, in cell J4, want to check if it is greater than, okay, maybe let's say the pass mark is 60%. Want to check if it is greater or equal to 60%, because the pass mark is 60% upwards. So then, as you can see here, it's true because this one, the student here actually obtained 65 in the exam. So we want to print the words passed exam. Okay, passed exam. So if the student, maybe let's say they've obtained a mark of 59 and below, 59, 58, maybe 40. So we want to print failed exam. So want to print failed exam. Okay, let's replicate this and check if our formula works very well. Okay, let's look at this now. So the first one got a 65, so it will display passed exam. Then the second one got a 58, it's fail exam because that is below 60, as you can see here. So that's how that's how we use an if statement. That's how we use an if statement. So in the next video, we will be looking at how we can nest if, how we can put an if inside another if. Let's say maybe we wanted to have many more conditions here, or many more things to display here. For example, let's say we wanted maybe wanted to see if the student passed the exam or failed dismally, or maybe just failed the exam. Okay, so we will be looking at that on our next video. Please do click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified as I upload more videos. For now, it's goodbye from me.